Notepad, the old way and the new way. In the old way, when you opened Notepad, you had to open up a separate notepad for each item. Microsoft is changing that and making it a lot easier. Let me show you what you'll soon have available to you for Notepad. As I said, this is the old way. Each notepad is a separate notepad opened in its own window. The new way works differently. I have several items that I have pinned to the taskbar in Notepad. In the old version, each time I selected one, it would open a new window. Now, with the new Tabbed Notepad, when I open one, it opens Notepad. If I go down now and select the next one, it opens it up, as you can see, in a separate tab. Let me do the third one and a fourth one. As you can see, I now have 4 separate tabs available, and I can switch from one to the other. I don't have to open up separate windows, and I can access and interact right from one window, and I have all of them open to me. Great idea. That will be coming to all versions of Windows 11 soon. Until then, envy those of us that are doing the beta testing of the new things as they get ready to be released. Stay safe, stay secure. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.